Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Mikey speaking. Today I have a video for you on Hillsborough County, Florida. This was requested by Ghost Dog. And basically, I'm going to be going over the programs available in this county to help you save thousands of dollars while buying a house. Some of these may be first-time home buyers, some of these will not be, some of them loans, some of them grants, but I'm going to go into all that information. And if this county doesn't apply to you whatsoever, because you live in a different county, a different state, leave a comment down below on what county and what state you live in, and I'd be happy to review what programs are available in your county for you. Anyways, let's jump over to the computer so I can start explaining some of the programs. So we're going to start with the Home Sweet Home program. And keep in mind that this one can be used with the Mortgage Credit CERT program. This one is a loan up to $15,000, which can be used for closing costs or down payment. You do have to be a first-time home buyer, and it is a program that continuously has money funded to it according to the website. It is interest-free and deferred, so you do not have to make any monthly payments whatsoever, and it occurs no interest. The only time you have to pay this money back is when you sell the house, refinance the house, or no longer are using it as your primary residence. At that time, the full amount of the loan becomes due. Your FICO score must be 660 or higher, and there is a limit around $283,000 as far as the purchasing limit is. Now you have to occupy the property within 60 days of actually purchasing it, and it can be used by new, existing, multifamily, duplex, quadplex, triplex. It can be used for condominiums, townhomes. I didn't see manufactured homes, but the rest of them were on here. There are income limits. So if you're two people, you have to have an income of no more than $72,000 yearly, 3 or more, 84. And here goes the link. Now for the CERT program, this one actually helps you with getting a credit towards the end of the year. So it allows you to use about 50%. Actually, it says here, get a 50% tax credit of whatever you paid on your interest up to $2,000 that you can use at the end of the year. Now, it doesn't say it whether you can or can't here, but I'm assuming if you're using 50% of your interest as a tax deduction, as a tax credit, then the other 50% you can use as a tax deduction. But contact one of these lenders, which actually, for these programs, both of them, if you look here, it says Home Sweet Home and Mortgage Credit Certificate Program. These are the companies that actually deal with these programs in particular. So you can press pause at any time so you can sit here and get the name, get the number, and contact these individuals for more information. Now, those were the loans. I have 2 grants as well. My favorite ones to this day still is the Bank of America First Time Home Buying Program. I'm actually trying to use them for the first time. So with both of these, you can use them together. The first one is the American Home Grant. It's up to $7,500 to use towards your closing costs, and you do not have to be a first-time home buyer, and you do not have to complete an educational class for this one. The next one is the down payment grant, which is used towards your down payment, 3% or up to $10,000, whichever is less. And you do not have to be a first-time home buyer, but you do have to complete the educational class. Last but not least is the Chase program, which offers you $2,500. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer, or it doesn't specifically says that, but there's no course required and you do not have to pay this money back because it is a grant. So keep that in mind. That's a quick overview for your county and what programs are available. In my opinion, I would definitely at least try to use the Bank of America program first because it offers you up to $17,500 of free money. But if you don't qualify for that, you have the other program that helps you with down payment and closing costs up to $15,000. And it just puts off that payment that you have to pay till you basically no longer occupy the property. So keep that in mind. And if you like this video, if you could like it, subscribe it, let me know what other counties you'd like me to review. Share this with someone that actually lives in your county as well, or maybe just let someone else know, maybe a family member that lives in a completely state and county, to leave a comment down below on where they live, and I'd be happy to review it. As of right now, I can only do stuff in the United States because that's where I live and that's where I know and understand some of the programs. But just leave a comment below. I'll be happy to do what I can to help you out. Anyways, to the next video, hope you have a good one. Bye.